Shri Shri Academy presents SSA Talks. श्री श्री एकेडमी प्रेजेंट्स SSA टॉक्स। जी हाँ, ये एक ऐसा यूनिक इनिशिएटिव है जो कि श्री श्री एकेडमी के द्वारा लिया गया है। बात करें कि बच्चों के मन में ना बहुत सारे सवाल होते हैं, बहुत सारे ओपिनियंस होते हैं, बहुत सारे राय होते हैं, लेकिन कई बार वो स्पीकअप नहीं कर पाते, वो बोल नहीं पाते, वो अपनी बातों को रख नहीं पाते। लेकिन इस बार हम यानी कि खबर समय की टीम श्री श्री एकेडमी में बहुत ही अच्छी पहल के साथ आए हैं, दैट इज़ SSA टॉक्स। और इस दौरान बच्चों के लिए खास एक इनिशिएटिव लिया गया है, ये इवेंट, क्योंकि इस इवेंट के थ्रू बच्चे स्पीकअप कर पाएंगे, बच्चे बोल पाएंगे, बच्चे उन तमाम व्यूज़ को रख पाएंगे तमाम ऑडियंस के सामने जो वो सच में कहना चाहते हैं। और बहुत ही कॉन्फिडेंटली ये उनके लिए इवेंट जो है ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया है, जहाँ पर बच्चे अपने बेस्ट देने वाले हैं। दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स उनके द्वारा ज़रूर से लाया गया है। और साथ ही साथ पेरेंट्स आए हैं ताकि उनको चेयरअप किया जा सके, और टीचर्स लगातार मैं ज़रूर से आपको तस्वीरें भी दिखाऊंगी कि टीचर्स भी लगातार यहाँ पर बने हुए हैं ताकि बच्चे अपने बेस्ट दे पाएँ। देखिए, हम ये कहते हैं ना, बच्चों को प्लेटफॉर्म देना चाहिए, जो श्री श्री एकेडमी ज़रूर से अपने बच्चों को दे रहा है। साथ ही साथ बड़ों के लिए तो बहुत प्लेटफॉर्म्स है, देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म्स जहाँ पर वो अपने व्यूज़, अपने ओपिनियंस रख सके। लेकिन स्टूडेंट्स जो बच्चे हैं उनके लिए क्या है, तो श्री श्री एकेडमी ज़रूर से एक अच्छी पहल कर रहा है जहाँ पर बच्चे आ सके, उनको एक प्लेटफॉर्म दिया गया है। दे कैन टॉक अबाउट डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स। और मैं ये भी कहना चाहूँगी कि यहाँ पर ना इस इवेंट में फ्रॉम एज ग्रुप 7 to 17 ईयर्स तक के बच्चों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया है। टुडे इज़ द ग्रैंड फिनाले, और श्री श्री एकेडमी के द्वारा जो ये खास इवेंट रखा गया, दैट इज़ SSA टॉक्स। दिस इज़ द सीज़न 1, और हम ज़रूर से उम्मीद करते हैं कि आने वाले दिनों में और भी सीजन्स इसके आते रहेंगे। तो चलिए आपको तस्वीरें दिखाते हैं, यहाँ से जुड़ी हुई जानकारी और भी आप तक साझा करते हैं, और आपको बताते हैं कि ये जो खास इवेंट है, दैट इज़ SSA टॉक्स, ये क्या है, किस तरीके से इसको यहाँ पर प्रेजेंट किया गया है, और बच्चे किस तरीके से एक्साइटेड हैं।
The gracious presence adds immense value and dignity to SSA Talks Season 1.
Ma'am Abha Ori with us. Hello ma'am, welcome to Khabar Samay.
Thank you so much for coming.
Yes ma'am, thank you so much ma'am. This SSA Talks, like हम सुन रहे थे बहुत दिनों से कि श्री श्री एकेडमी is coming up with a good initiative, that is SSA Talks. So मैम, इसमें है क्या, बच्चे किस तरीके से इसमें सीख रहे हैं, और आप इसको किस तरीके से पॉजिटिवली ले रहे हैं, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
देखिए, श्री श्री एकेडमी इज नोन फॉर ऑलवेज सेटिंग न्यू बेंचमार्क्स, और हमारे लिए SSA Talks इज अ बेंचमार्क विच वी आर सेटिंग। दिस इज सीजन 1। तो जैसे टेड टॉक्स होता है, हमने सोचा वो तो फॉर ऑल प्रोफेशनल्स एंड अकम्प्लिश्ड पीपल जो आके अपनी स्टोरीज, अपने आइडियाज शेयर करते हैं। सो दिस टाइम वी थॉट, व्हाई नॉट गिव आवर चिल्ड्रन फ्रॉम क्लास 1 an opportunity to get up on stage and deliver their thoughts. So ये हमारे लिए ये काफ़ी दिन से ये चल रहा है. Every child in school has participated and वो one by one as they've grown up to the level, today is the grand finale. Okay. So today you will see class 1 upwards everybody taking part.
Is there any specific topic or they have different topics?
No, they have different topics because this is about their ideas, what they want to talk about. Everyone has different topics.
Ma'am, what message you want to convey to the students, as well as we have seen that there are lots of parents are also coming here. So ma'am, क्या message रहेगा बच्चों के लिए so that they can come up with good?
देखिए, मैं सिर्फ एक मैसेज दूंगी कि आज के ज़माने में academics is not everything. You have to shine in all spheres of life. एंड आपको कुछ भी अगर करना है लाइफ में, आपको तो पब्लिक में जाके बात करना तो आना चाहिए ना, अपना थॉट्स जो है वो तो डाल के बताना चाहिए. सो वी एट शीशी आर वेरी प्राउड कि हम इस स्मॉल एज से, यंग एज से इनको ये एक्सपीरियंस, ये अपॉर्चुनिटी दे रहे हैं कि दे लर्न हाउ टू गेट अप ऑन स्टेज एंड स्पीक.
Amazing, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot. So we have Geeta ma'am with us, the VP of Shri Shri Academy. Hello, ma'am. Welcome.
Hello. Thank you so much. Welcome to our school.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, like आज जो इवेंट हो रहा है, that is SSA Talks. So ma'am, what is this all about? क्या है, क्या होने जा रहा है, और बच्चे किस तरीके से excited हैं? हम देख रहे हैं कि parents are coming, so किस तरीके से बच्चे बहुत excited हैं?
I'll just tell you one thing, that SSA Talks is a public speaking platform that we are providing to our children. And what happened is, this is not an overnight event. It took 6 to 7 months to prepare our children. We had several rounds. This SSA Talks is of 5 rounds. So we had, so much of filtration in these 4 rounds. And after that, we selected 27 finalists. We have children from 7 years old to 17 years old.
That's great.
So today they'll be showing their confidence on stage. So I'll tell you one thing is, confidence is a demand. Confidence and communication is a demand in today's world. So this is how we are trying to build our children's confidence as well as articulate their ideas. So this is how we are doing. Also, one more thing, students from each section, each class, they have participated. So so please enjoy the program.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So जैसे मैम ने बताया कि हर एक जो क्लास से यहाँ पे बच्चों ने पार्टिसिपेशन लिया था, और टुडे इज द ग्रैंड फिनाले. सो स्टूडेंट्स आर वेरी एक्साइटेड.
Very excited,
Yeah.
very excited. Even after, not just students, but even parents are very excited. पेरेंट्स ने जो सपोर्ट दिया है ना, दैट इज़ कमेंडेबल. आई मीन, उन्होंने रात भर जग के बच्चों को स्पीच तैयार किया है. एंड इवन आवर टीचर्स, हर एक कैटेगरी, वी हैव 4 कैटेगरीज, कैटेगरी ए, कैटेगरी बी, कैटेगरी सी एंड कैटेगरी डी. वो एज वाइज है आपका. कैटेगरी ए में 7 to 9 years old एंड फॉलोड बाई आपका 10 to 12 years old एंड देन टिल 17. सो एवरी कैटेगरी में क्या है, हमारे टीचर्स हैं, और इंग्लिश डिपार्टमेंट. सो दे आर ऑल्सो working really hard, and this event is not pulled off by just one person but the whole team of SSA.
बहुत अच्छी. तो देखिए, जैसे मैम ने बताया कि स्टूडेंट्स की यहाँ पर भागीदारी तो है ही, साथ ही साथ टीचर्स एंड पेरेंट्स आर ऑल्सो, बहुत इन्वॉल्वमेंट उनका भी रहा है. तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि SSA टॉक्स ये सीजन 1 है, तो बच्चे इससे बहुत कुछ सीख रहे हैं, टीचर्स को सिखाने का मौका मिल रहा है, और पेरेंट्स को भी कहीं ना कहीं, हम कहें तो एक अपॉर्चुनिटी भी ज़रूर से मिल रहा है. मैम, व्हाट मैसेज यू वांट टू कन्वे टू द स्टूडेंट्स एज वेल हु हैव पार्टिसिपेटेड टुडे?
I would really wish them well, give their 100% no matter what happens today, and just give your best, all the best. And yeah, I'd like to add on to that, this SSA Talks is the vision of our principal. He brought this idea to SSA, and we are working towards it to make it a grand success. I hope so, that it'll be a grand success.
Sure.
Thank you
so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
As a species is not rooted in physical prowess.
Season 1, I have one special request to all the parents and children present here to please give a round of applause for your kids. Get together. A big round of applause. Because let me tell you one thing, each class, each section, each jelly, SSA Talks was not just about selecting few children and bringing them here. SSA Talks had 4 rounds before this. This is the final round that we're doing today, 5th round. Each class, every section, every child was given an equal opportunity to come on this stage and speak. This platform was for everyone because of us. Because for us, participation itself is success. SSA Talks has been truly a great journey from the initial rounds to the final stage. Students were screened, refined, mentored, and challenged. At every level, the bar was raised. And today, in the fifth and the final round of SSA Talk Season 1, we see the finest speakers who have emerged from the entire process. May I request all the 27 participants to please stand up on this place. 17 years old. Thank you, dear children. Please sit. It is about discovering yourself, understanding your strength, understanding and developing personality development, building confidence, finding your voice, and that is what truly matters. As a coordinator of SSA Talks, along with my co-coordinator, Ma'am Komal, on behalf of our HOD, Ma'am Priya, and the entire English department, I can proudly say that this has been a journey of commitment, effort, and unwavering belief in our students. And now to our finalists. You have faced fears, you have grown, and you have found your voice. That is bigger than any trophy. So, to our parents and guests, thank you for supporting, encouraging, and believing in our children. And to all my dear participants, give your 100%, speak with confidence, own the stage, because the stage is yours. And this is only the beginning. Let's begin the grand finale. Thank you, everyone. Over to you, Ma'am Komal.
Now, proceeding further, to seek the divine blessings of Goddess Saraswati, we now present a beautiful dance performance through Saraswati Vandana.
Head of English Department, Priya ma'am is with us. Hello ma'am, welcome to Khabar Samay. Yes ma'am. Ma'am, what is the main objective of this SSA Talks, Ifi?
Ma'am, we are trying to nurture the talent of the students. You must have heard about glossophobia. So glossophobia is the fear of stage. So children actually, they feel very underconfident when they are on stage. So we wanted to nurture their talent. We wanted to make them, effortless speakers who can own the stage.
So it's a special event we can say, right? हमने देखा है बच्चों को ना पब्लिक स्पीकिंग करने में बहुत बहुत सारे कई बार उनको स्टेज फेयर होता है, लेकिन वो कहीं ना कहीं इससे ओवरकम करके एक ऐसा इनिशिएटिव लिया गया दैट का जो कि लगातार बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स इसमें पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं. मैम, वी हैव हर्ड दैट स्टूडेंट्स आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग फ्रॉम 7 years to 17 years. That's great, right?
Exactly, ma'am. You will see them performing today and you will be in awe of their performance, their pronunciation, their articulation of word. It's meticulous. You'll be seeing them perform today, and I would request everyone to encourage their children to speak like this.
They're speaking on different topics, right?
They are speaking on different topics, and you will be seeing the range of the diverse topics they have chosen today.
Okay, ma'am. What message you want to say to this?
Ma'am, this entire SSA Talks का पूरा concept जो है ये बच्चों को encourage करने के लिए है, ताकि बच्चे, क्योंकि we are building the future leaders, so we don't want our leaders to be stepping behind the stage, okay? So we are just encouraging them, और सबसे यही message है कि please encourage your children to speak forward in life and be the future leaders of India.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
So we have with us Principal Sir of Shri Shri Academy. Hello, sir. Welcome to Khabar Samay.
Good morning, Khabar Samay. Thank you very much for joining us today. It's a SSA Talks Season 1. This is an initiative to make children great orators, and we wanted to enhance their confidence, and we wanted to make them great orators and with confidence and compassion. And this is the first year we're doing it, and we hope, taking this idea forward in the following years. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so we have seen that many students are participating in this event. Like from every class, students are participating in this event, right? So how much?
This is from the primary years to secondary, and this has got about 5 rounds of filtration, and teachers worked really hard. I must thank the English department. 5 rounds of filtration, and today is the final day. Yeah.
Okay, so what is the idea behind this SSA talks? Like बहुत सारे teachers ने कहा कि आपका idea कहीं ना कहीं यहाँ पर reflect कर रहा है. So what is the main objective of this SSA talks?
We believe, voices are more powerful than weapons. We wanted to make children, who can influence audience with the speeches, who can leave an impact with the speeches. So that's the idea. They should speak for themselves. They should speak for the community and nation.
ओके सर, थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक्स तो देखिए, बच्चों को प्लेटफॉर्म देना हम कहते हैं ना कि बहुत ज़रूरी है, और इस उम्र में दिया जाना वो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो वी हैव मैम विद अस. हेलो मैम, वेलकम टू खबर समय.
हेलो मैम.
ओके मैम, मैं आपसे यही जानना चाहूँगी कि ये जो SSA टॉक्स हैं, जैसे हमें पता चला कि सभी की बहुत सारी हम कह सकते हैं कि बहुत मेहनत है इसमें, और साथ ही साथ स्टूडेंट्स बहुत ही एक्साइटेड है इस इवेंट को लेके. सो व्हाट इज SSA टॉक्स?
SSA Talks is a platform where the students will exhibit the power of communication skills, which is one of the most important skills to survive in 21st century, right? And it is high time that we empower the young voices, and this platform will do just that. So that's it. Thank
Okay
you.
ma'am, how many students are participating in this event?
27. We have 27 finalists.
So today is the grand finale. हम सभी excited हैं. हम आपको आगे के जो भी यहाँ पे शो होने वाले हैं वो ज़रूर से दिखाते हैं. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
They're all looking into my eyes. They're all wondering with one very deep, profound question: is that ये बुड्ढा यहाँ क्या करने आया है? And I'll be very honest that when I was your age, and I've thought the same as well, because there's a lot of curiosity and there's a lot of immense number of questions that lingers into our heads, and then that makes us humans, and that's really, really important, because I studied most of my life in Kendra Vidyalaya, and even we have difficulties with the language English, and I see that everybody speaks so well English here, because when I was your age, we would first think about a statement in Hindi in our mind and then translate that into English. Grammatically we were right, but then maybe from a speaking communication point of view we were wrong, because once when we were in the class having a great time, my monitor of the class, he jumped and he just shouted to all of us, and he said, "All of you keep quiet. Don't you know Principal Sir is rotating?" What he actually meant in Hindi was, "Chup raho, Principal Sir ghoom rahe hain." And so that was directly translated, and a lot of things changed after that. And trust me, when I see all of you, it takes a lot of courage, because to stand on the stage and to speak out what you really want to speak, and in front of more than 400 eyeballs staring directly into your eyes, it nerves wreck you, and then you wonder that, can I even speak? Because suddenly you even forget the fact that, where are your vocal cords? Ladies and gentlemen, this is what life is all about, and I'd like to congratulate every single student who's taken the effort to, move forward, come out of their comfort zone, break that imaginary box that you have in your head, and to think that, yes, I have the potential, I have the power, I am brave enough to do what I am really capable of doing. And trust me, that's the first step of what the great beginnings of life is, because it's the beginning, it's the thought process. In fact, it has been great for you in the past, it is amazing in the present, it is amazing in the future as well. So once again, I'd like to congratulate every single soul who's here. I'd like to thank the school management, the teachers, for being so kind enough to pick me up from a haystack and say, "Hey, you go and represent our students." Now when I look at Madam Geeta, thank you so much, she is giving me the look and saying, "Bravo, tera time ho gaya hai." And so it's okay. I mean, I've been married for 23 years, I'm used to it, So in the end, not really in the end, I'd just like to talk about a few things that when you communicate, one of my marketing professors very importantly once said that when you open your mouth, you tell the world who you are. That's when perceptions, opinions, and a lot of perspectives about an individual changes when you think. And to all the young people who are here, bracing themselves, controlling their heartbeats, today is a double heartbeat for all of you. One, you have to be on stage. Number two, it's Valentine's, so it normally increases the palpitation. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to remember, boys and girls, that when you communicate, you should try your level best to connect rather than correct. And that's very, very important. So thank you very much.
Yesterday evening, we had a session on the CBSE examinations, and my dean has said India is a developing country. And unfortunately, same dialogue I heard from my class teacher, Mr. Hussain. It's been 2 decades. We are still developing year on year. And if we don't correct ourselves, this will remain for another 80 years. It's been like 80 years since independence. We've been developing. All right? I strongly feel the idea of patriotism was half-taught for us. How do you define patriotism? Anyone can speak. How do you define patriotism? In your own style. Anyone? What do you mean by it? Beautiful. Thank you very much, lady. She said love for their own country. That's what I was taught in my childhood. That's what I believed in entire childhood. It is actually a half message. One more half that is left is patriotism is not just love for your own country, it is the way you live for your country. It is love for country and the way you live for country. Akhand Bharat, the great united India, during 18th century, that's 1700 to 1800, we were the world's #1 country. We had about 35% of world's economy. India had advanced civilizations. India had world's foremost education institutions. For instance, Nalanda University. It functioned between 5th century, 12th century. It had 10,000 plus students and 2,000 plus residential teachers. The first university, formal university. And students across China, Japan, South Asian countries were part of it. This is incredible. This functioned during 700 BCE, before the birth of Christ. 700 years before the birth of Christ. This university had subjects like math, science, astronomy, military, politics.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Ashrita Giri.
Respected teachers, honorable judges, and my dear friends. Before I begin, I would like to ask you an important question. What truly makes a person strong? Is it always winning? Is it being the best? Or is it the courage to rise again after we fall? I believe real strength is not about never falling. It is about being resilient and trying once more. Today, I stand for you, not as a perfect child, but as a young learner, just like all of you. Every day, I'm learning, improving, and moving forward step by step. We all have strengths and weaknesses too. I'm aware of mine. Sometimes I feel fearful. Sometimes I feel hesitant. Sometimes I experience self-doubt. But even then, I try to stay positive and continue my journey of learning with confidence. There is a powerful thought that I strongly believe in. Never surrender, because every effort makes you stronger. Let me share a small real-life incident from my own life. Last year, I was afraid to speak on stage. My hands trembled. My voice became soft. I made few mistakes and felt like crying. But my teacher smiled and said, "Try again. You can do it." I went home, practiced every day, and stood on stage. Once I was not perfect, but I was braver than before. That day, I learned that courage grows when we do not give up. On this journey, I'm not alone. I'm blessed with loving parents, My mama and papa encourage me and guide me. When I feel low, they lift my spirit. They teach me the importance of being brave, kind, and confident. I'm also fortunate to have remarkable teachers. My teachers do not only teach lessons from books, they teach values, discipline, and confidence. They guide me when I make mistakes and support me when I feel uncertain. They believe in me even when I doubt myself. My mama often tells me the inspiring story of Thomas Edison. He faced many failures before inventing the light bulb, but he never gave up. He showed great determination and kept trying. This story teaches us a valuable lesson. Failure is not the end. Continuous effort leads to success. Today, many children are afraid of making mistakes, but mistakes help us learn. Failure helps us grow. Challenges shape our character. So, we must not be afraid to try. We must not be discouraged by failure because every successful person once dared to try. Let us all practice and remember to always be brave, be kind, work hard, never surrender, and always have faith in yourself. Let me end with one final question. When we fall, will we give up or rise again and try once more? Because true strength does not lie in winning. It lies in never giving up the effort. Thank you. Good morning, respected judges, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Kaya Agarwal. Today, I stand here with a small smile, a hooked heart, and a very big dream. I want to talk about my big dream. The small steps I'm taking every day. And how even a small voice like mine can bring a big change. When people ask children, what do you want to be when you grow up? Some say doctor, some say pilot, and some say engineer. But when I think about this question, my heart answers very clearly. My dream is to become a scientist, not because it sounds big, not because it sounds smart, but because I truly want to help people and make the world a better place to live in. I love to ask questions. Why does the sky change colors? How does a plant grow from a tiny seed? What makes things move, float, or shine? Albert Einstein once said, I have no special talent. I'm only passionately curious. When I read this, I felt he was talking about children like me. I believe that the world just does not need intelligent people. It needs people who are kind, responsible, and caring and honest. And I want to be one of them. But I know one important truth, that big dreams do not come true in one day. They begin with small steps. I have already started to take my small steps. I try to study sincerely, to understand my lessons, especially science. I love doing experiments in school. I love doing small activities. Sometimes I fail. Sometimes I make mistakes, but I never stop trying. My small steps also include listening to my teachers, respecting my parents, and learning from my mistakes. But I believe that being a good human being is the most important step of all. I am also creative. I love to draw, build models, think of new ideas, and think differently. Creativity gives me courage. So I believe that new solutions are always possible. Even though I'm still young, I want to share some healthy and happy. They showed discipline, responsibility, and caring for nature. Some people think that small children can't make their own difference, but I think that is not true. Just like many small children like me take small steps. If we all try to study sincerely, follow good habits, and use our voices for good, we can create big changes too. Just like many small droplets of water together make a vast ocean. I may be small today, but my steps are steady, my dreams are big, and my heart is full of hope. If I be curious, keep learning, work hard, and be kind, my big dream will surely come true. Thank you for listening to my small voice, because small voices can create big changes. Thank you. Sharp words, mean words, hurting words. So I honestly ask, what important lessons should we follow? Dear world, you think children are small, but I hold a powerful belief. Small hands can plant mighty trees, can solve big problems. Young
So after witnessing this event, like आपका experience कैसा रहा? क्या कहना चाहेंगे about the students, about Shri Shri Academy?
I think it's a wonderful experience. We have witnessed this for the first time at CSC Academy. They are doing it in the first session. But the curiosity, the interest in learning, and the hunger to perform is so evident in every student who has been on the stage. It's phenomenal. It's phenomenal from the part of the management, from the part of the academic team, and especially from the part of the young and students, everyone coming up and speaking their heart out. No words can define the experience of listening to them. If you have not, make sure you come next season and listen this live. Beautifully done.
ओके सर, थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक्स अ लॉट।
Thank you.
एसएसए टॉक्स सीजन 1 की तस्वीरें हमने आप तक ज़रूर से पहुंचाई। बच्चे बहुत ही कॉन्फिडेंट दिखे और हम ज़रूर से ये आशा करते हैं कि आने वाले दिनों में श्री श्री एकेडमी जैसे अपने जो भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनके ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट में बहुत ध्यान देता है, डिफरेंट इवेंट्स ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं, एकेडमिक्स में उनका साथ देते हैं, वैसे ही लगातार ऐसे और भी सीजन्स, ताकि बच्चों को एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिल सके, एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल सके टू स्पीक अप। और देखिए आज जिस रफ्तार से बच्चों की एजुकेशन जो है ये बढ़ रही है, जिस रफ्तार से हमारा पूरा समाज बढ़ रहा है, ऐसे कॉन्फिडेंट बच्चों की ज़रूरत जो वो अपने मन के जो भी भाव है, अपने जो भी वर्ड्स है वो एक्सप्रेस कर सके, ऐसा एक प्लेटफॉर्म ज़रूर से बच्चों को दी जानी चाहिए, ऐसा हम सभी जानते हैं। तो बस श्री श्री एकेडमी प्रयास कर रहा है कि तमाम बच्चों को, हमने देखा कि यहाँ पर बहुत छोटे से जो एज ग्रुप से स्टार्ट होकर टिल 17 तक, 7 to 17 ईयर्स तक के बच्चों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया। दैट व्हाट मेक्स दिस इवेंट मोर स्पेशल। और पार्टिसिपेशन हमने देखा कि बहुत अच्छी रही बच्चों की। 27 स्टूडेंट्स आज यहाँ पर ग्रैंड फिनाले में ज़रूर से हैं और साथ ही साथ डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज में यहाँ पर उनको बांटे गए हैं। सभी ने अपना बेस्ट दिया है, सभी ने अपना बेस्ट जो कह सकते हैं कि अपना स्पीकअप किया है। जजेस वहाँ पर मौजूद थे और साथ ही साथ ये कंपटीशन हम नहीं कहेंगे बल्कि एसएसए टॉक्स बच्चों को एक ऐसा अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया गया बाय श्री श्री एकेडमी, जो कि हम ज़रूर से आशा करेंगे कि आने वाले दिनों में बच्चों को और भी डिफरेंट बच्चों को और भी डिफरेंट जिन्होंने कहीं ना कहीं अपना बेस्ट नहीं दे सके उनको भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म ज़रूर से दिया जाए। तो हम चाहेंगे कि श्री श्री एकेडमी आने वाले दिनों में ऐसे और भी सीजन्स लाते रहे ऑफ एसएसए टॉक्स। फिलहाल के लिए मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त, और भी लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स पाने के लिए देखते रहे खबर समय, हर समय खबर समय। धन्यवाद।